Take your trading to the next level with this one little tweak. Welcome to the Aftermarket live chat and watch party. I am Dawn, your host, aka J&J Video Reacts, and this is the Aftermarket, the stream that's been created by traders for traders to just kick back, relax, and have a place to come to decompress after the market. Had a bit of a choppy day today. There were quite a few stocks that were up and down, especially if you play the Russell, which I tend to. SPY. So we couldn't really get a definitive direction one way or the other. And I remember one of our members in here was talking about that this morning. So kind of had a heads up about it. We did have homes numbers come out today, and it ended up being better than expected, but it still didn't seem to affect the market one way or the other because it still remained choppy, in my opinion. But tonight, we are talking about how to take your trading to the next level with one single tweak, right? Actually, there could be a lot of tweaks. There could be a lot of things that could be that very tweak, but we're going to focus on something that has to do with mindset tonight. But before we get into it, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the share button, and go ahead and share it out. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button. We are trying to get Coach to 20,000 subscribers, right? So we are steadily working towards that. At last update, it was 16,027. I did not update it, so I think it might be a little bit more than that. Hold on one second. I'll have to do a new update on that. Okay, 16,092 actually. So good job, gang. We are steadily increasing the amount of subscribers that are in there. 16,092. Way to go, gang. We are embarking on 16.1. So before you know it, we'll be hitting 17K, right? Right now, we still, I believe, have the... Can somebody tell me down in the chat, do we still have the 19 going on? And welcome everybody down there. Let me go ahead and put the link up for those of you that want to join the panel. All right. Here we are. Yes, we do have it. Okay. All right. Thanks, Miranda. Miranda, always there. Thank you, baby girl. Okay. So with that being said, right now, if you want to pick up a premium membership, which includes being in on the Zoom call, which is with Coach every morning from 9 to 11. He does live open mic training. There's no other guru that does that. We're the only group that has that type of training where we can interact one-on-one with our coach and mentor. And who is Coach? He's Chad W. Christian. He's a 33-year stock market vet that has literally traded in every market condition imaginable. And he trains us to do the same thing. Let's see. We don't chase call-outs over here. We take care of BI, right? We learn how to use support and resistance lines. So we can go ahead and make sure that everything is copacetic. So if you want to sign up, that does include our Hot stock picks, our IWO corner. I mean, our IPIWO. IPO corner. Oh my God. James, did you hear that? IWO? I've renamed it.
Love it, Miss Dawn. Love it.
IWO. There's no I in EWO, damn it. Sign up is only $19. Normally, that is $125 a month. It will renew at the regular rate after 2 weeks. So the 2 weeks is almost up. That's why I was asking about it. So he might be extending it just a little bit, or it's not quite at the 2 weeks yet. I think it will be in a day or two. So hurry up and get that. That is the premium membership. If you want to get a crypto membership, that is also $19 for a sign up. We have two awesome crypto moderators over there. Crypto moderators. Crypto motto. Okay. That would be Chris and Bucko. Those guys are fantastic. You get a really, really in-depth training every Wednesday night. It seems that they're doing that on Wednesday nights at 7:15 Eastern Standard. So if you haven't gotten in on the crypto class yet, check it out. And if you don't have a crypto membership, now's your time to sign up for only $19. And last but not least, the futures membership. If you want to sign up for futures and get over there with Mark and Ange and Doug and Ralph and them, go ahead and sign up with that. That's $49 for a sign up. Now, the reason that's $49 is because it includes our Trading View indicators overlay, and it literally charts things out for you guys. It's it's like just sitting back and letting the indicators do all the work for you sometimes. Of course, you want to do your own charting too, but those indicators, I mean, they basically they give you everything you need to be successful. Let's put it that way. $49, and that renews at a rate of $250 a month, I believe. So there you have it. You can go ahead, and we still have our diamond membership, right? Which is the pinnacle. That includes all of our services, $50,000 worth of services for $20,000, right? And you're getting it on sale for $5K, right? So I don't know what else to tell you. It's a no-brainer. We've got so many people that have those memberships, and we've got so many satisfied members. And if you are one of those members that is satisfied with your training and learning here, do me a favor and put a 1 down in that chat for me. Not to mention, don't forget the super chats. We like to try to get a few super chats on here daily. So if you guys could get to going on the super chats, don't forget to smash the like button. James, how'd you do today, brother? Did you trade?
Just a little bit in the pre-market.
Okay,
$5.
cool.
Other than that, it's been kind of busy today.
Gotcha. Bubba chasing any more mice or cats or?
No, just sitting here trying to do all the things.
Yeah, I feel you, bro. Let's see who we got down here. We've got Miranda down there. What's up, honey? James L, who's up here. Chad H is down there. What's up? J Dog. What's up, Jay? Vegan Knowledge. Hi, darling. Don't forget, if you're looking for any health issue journey help, go over to Vegan Knowledge JJ. JC Trading. What's up? Welcome. Good. Phone is losing charge, and Dawn has our only charger. Oh.
Yeah. You need to crack the door open. Let that real nice lady get a phone charger.
Remember what I said about Jen at 9:30 in the morning? How she tends to want to. Why at 4 o'clock, honey? Why at 4 o'clock? What is it with 9:30 and 4? I'm starting to think it's on purpose. Right at 4. I'm starting to think it's on purpose. I can't leave the live.
No,
Half an hour ago.
she would never do that.
Why she didn't hit me up a half hour ago, James? Come on now. All right, hold on 1 second. I'll be right back. Let me hand her this charger. I don't want to be an ass, but we need to do this a lot earlier, honey. All right, hold on one second.
I got a solution.
What's that?
Get another charger.
Yeah, right. We do have other chargers in the house. I think she likes mine because it's got the little lightning thing. It's like a turbo, and it
Fast
like
charger.
charges up. Yes. So she's just being spoiled.
All right. So you just had a birthday. When's her birthday?
January.
All right. I know what's on the list.
There you go. See, you got your own coming, baby.
Another
If I don't
another
get it first.
turbocharger.
Turbo
Android,
Trader,
right?
turbocharger. I'm gonna mute this, huh?
Android, right?
No, iPhone.
Oh, I'm out.
Ah, James said the hell with that. I'm gonna turn the camera off real quick and mute my mic. Hold on.
Oh Lord. So what was the topic for today? Tweaks. Well, I don't know about tweaks, but I can see we've got BENF. It's having a nice little pop. Oh, I gotta change this. What else we got? Oh, PFSA. Sub-dollar. A nice little run up so far.
All right, she's all taken care of. Okay, so
Those are really the only two.
the topic of tonight is take your trading to the next level with one simple tweak. That's what it was. I heard somebody asking about it.
Well, we got a couple of runners here.
All right, let's look at them.
We got PFSA right now. Looks like it has the best movement.
What was that ticker?
PFSA.
All right.
And F2's in the background.
What, backstage?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I didn't hear the little doorbell go off. There he is. Hey, F.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you doing, Brad?
Doing really good. Thank you.
That is good. How'd you do today?
I did all right. I did about 1,300.
Oh, sweet.
Nice.
Sweet. That's how to get it done.
Are we flaunting the swag, F2? I had to do a little low grin. My camera's kind of down there.
Well, I was looking at my stuff on the camera. My hat was crooked, and I didn't want to be all cockeyed and stuff.
I know I've come to the conclusion over this weekend I'm gonna have to get me another hat because anytime Brandon sees this one, he takes off with it.
Does he? Go ahead, be cockeyed.
A little bit of a breathe.
Do you guys hear music?
I still don't music.
Yeah, I'm wondering. Do
I don't hear anything.
I've got music in the background. I don't know if that's Oh, you know what? I think it might be YouTube or something. Yep. Yep, it was. This thing's got a nice little run to it, huh?
Yeah. No reason to get out of it yet.
the L2 still filling up. The 9 is still under VWAP, so be careful. And you do have a heavy area over here on the bid side, so it could pull back on you because it's up 5-7 candles. It's starting to do its little pullback thing here. You ever played this before?
I have not.
Me either.
But I do. And you're talking about tweaks and tricks to improve your trading?
Yep.
Like Mark McC says quite frequently, just pop over to a 4-hour chart, throw up a couple lines. Got
Let's
there.
do it. Let's demonstrate it.
We got a level at 76.70
on the 4-hour.
On the 4-hour, looks like 81.75.
Okay.
If we want to take it a little bit further, we'll kick it down to the 15-minute. Ooh, we are way up there above all that. Okay. We'll go way back on the 15-minute.
Okay, so what was the levels on the 4-hour?
Looks like we got a real strong one at 69.50 on the 15-minute. On the 4-hour, he has 66.92, 76.70.
James, I'm gonna need you to slow down, brother. Hold on, man. Are we dropping these in or what? Are you just telling us?
Well, I popped them on mine already, but
Okay,
I got the little quick button on my mouse. So
okay, I got you.
Little cheat code.
I know I need to learn that.
Here, you want me to take the screen?
No, you good. What's the level?
Where you got 69.50s on the 15-minute.
Okay, I'm on the 4-hour chart.
Okay, 4-hour, I got 76.70 and 81.75. That's as high up as I went.
All right, well, I'll tell you what. You guys listen to him. Put the lines on your chart as he's giving them to you, and we'll just go ahead and listen to the levels. But yeah, this thing's running, dude. This is running.
Oh yeah, it looks real good on the 15-minute.
See, I don't like trading hot stock picks on a 15-minute because they're so weird, and that's too long of a time frame.
I don't either, but I like to click over there and look at it just to kind of
to get an idea. Yeah,
just a little woo-saw.
Yeah, because that
kick it back down to the 1 minute, and everything makes a little more sense.
Thing being a knife drop on you, and you still sitting on the 15-minute, didn't even know what the hell happened yet. But if you take a look at it on the 15-minute, yeah, it's got this nice big old green candle. What's going on in here is what I want to know. I'm gonna shoot on up to the shoot. I almost went to the 1 second. We would have really been pulling our hair out. It's consolidating right now. That red candle on that 15-minute is what is all happening right here. All of this represents that.
It's just going sideways right now. It hasn't really broke structure. The 9 has crossed VWAP. So that's what I would be watching for. If it, the 9 and VWAP being that tight on a sub-dollar stock, hot stock pick.
But see these areas right here? See these areas right here? This is what I'd be looking for. All these lower levels on this bid side, it's dragging it down. See?
Yeah. No.
So if the 9 ends up going back under the 20, under VWAP as a result of that, then, but hopefully it won't. Hopefully it'll keep its momentum. That's what I use the L2 for, gang. Dave was going there talking about how I like to do L2 training. It tells you where the stock's going.
Oh, look at that bounce off the 9.
Yeah, that's nice. And all our levels moved up here. where we want them for it to stay up. We don't want nothing down here. We want it up here.
Oh, and I don't have this screen set up for
Somebody's down there making some money off of this thing.
none of this.
What up, Maria, Jeffrey, Papa Todd? What's up, brother?
Oh, the ask side's drying up.
You're welcome, Jen. Yeah, it is. Yeah, they're taking them walls out. They start getting rid of the walls. You could start seeing this thing flying up to new heights. We got a healthy amount of buyers over here on the upper channel of the bid side. This is what we've learned from Coach, everybody that's watching who has not been here before. We learn how to read these charts just like a book. We learn how to read the candles. We learn how to use our moving average indicators. Oh, speaking of which, F, did you get my email?
When did you send it?
A couple days ago.
I'll go check. Hold on.
Okay.
There's really no news on it. The last thing I see on the Weeble News is they appointed a new CFO and lead director 5 days ago.
Okay.
So unless something else comes in.
Is that a llama? Is that Ted's llama, or does that look like a dinosaur?
Brontosaurus. Roar.
Yeah, I like that. All right, she's still going. We do have some levels forming down here though on the L2. So and if you look at it, she is moving up pretty good. So expect a pullback at some point. But right now she is strong to the upside. Stay up there. Stay up there. Just a pullback. It's all the way up here. So it's not like it's down here. If it's down here, you're looking for a knife job. If it's up here, it's gonna be a pullback. Was that a cat?
That's cat.
That is the cat. Was that the one chasing you know who?
Yes.
Oh, this is beautiful. Be careful though. 5 candles. And yes, look at what happened on the bid side. Look at the lower level of it. Be careful. Get your money. Get in, get green, get out. Or shed. Maria brought up a good point earlier. She normally doesn't shed on scalps, but she does on the 2-minute EWO. Why? Because the 2-minute EWO is a longer play. It's designed to last longer, so you want to stay in it longer, right? But shedding is something that's for long term if you're going to sit in it for a minute. When you're scalping, you're in and out. Shed 100%, like Mark said. He said, I shed 100%. There she goes. There she goes. Come on, get that strength. So the tweak I was referring to earlier was sitting on your hands when a choppy day happens or when there's not really a trade in sight, right? Or
Yes, ma'am.
you know what I mean? Or you're sitting in a stock and it maybe had a run, but you missed it and you try to jump in on the tail end of it and end up getting your face ripped off because now it's ready to go in the other direction. Sitting on your hands is one of the most overlooked tweaks that I think new traders forget about. Waiting, actually not trading, right? You thought it was going to be an indicator or something, right? No, it's sitting on your hands and being patient and waiting for the proper setup is the tweak that will change your game big time. How many times have you guys jumped in a trade and it did just what I said? It went against you because you didn't quite know where the support line was or the resistance lines was, or it ended up being new high day. You never charted it, so you didn't know. If you could tweak anything,
Never.
be
That's
aware.
a lesson I learned the hard way. Is never jump in anything without looking back at the chart.
Absolutely.
Thank you,
Absolutely.
Mark.
Yep. Mark hammered that home. And Coach hammered it home with us and him, you know? All right. It's getting a little wonky. It's still got good volume, but we got some lower level buy interest down here that might pull it down just for a little bit. So if you did not take some green, I suggest you do so.
And that being said, if you got in back here at 1613, was that 413 on the 1 minute when it broke above VWAP after that massive gamma candle, you'd still be in a pretty good position.
Oh, yeah. Right here.
And I would say that is definitely a breaking hold of VWAP, the final indicator in this instance.
Right, in this instance. Anything else out there running? Let's see what we got.
The only other thing that had something was BENF, and it's pretty much pump and dump. Everything else is just kind of blah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, see, there's a doji. That's when I'd start getting real
3 of them.
itch about it.
Or 2 of them. Yep. Going sideways. Got a couple of dojis in here, and it's not doing this. It's doing this.
Eminem says INHD.
Let's look at it.
Yeah, INHD's got a nice little move. Looks like it actually pulled at the market close and then just popped. I believe INHD is one we traded before.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Yeah, pull. And then popped up over the 9. It's looking not as pretty as PFSA, but still nice above the 9. 9's above VWAP.
Yeah.
21's above VWAP. Looking good. Got a couple runners here in the aftermarket.
Sitting at 188.4 million volume.
Nice.
Free float is 36 million, so it's kind of borderline our usual hot stock picks, but not too bad.
Gang, don't forget to smash that like button, share the video out, and subscribe if you haven't already. Maria, I think we get it. You making some money on this, girl?
Aha. See, they just did a reverse split on August 13th.
Ooh. I don't
Oh,
like
no.
that.
Okay. It says approves reverse stock split proposal on August 13th. So we'll have to go back and look and see if it had done it.
Which one, INHD?
INHD.
and they had a
I
reverse
don't
split
see
win.
that they've actually done a reverse split yet. So
Be careful on PFSA, gang. Be careful. She's a pulling back. Pulled under the 9. Hopefully you guys took your green.
yeah, that right there, break of the 9, shed half.
Yep. Or if you're just scalping a few shares, maybe just go ahead and get out and re-enter and look for a re-entry point.
Oh hell, you're right, Maria. I'm sorry. The page I've got set up is not complete. I'm looking at market cap, not free float. My
Oh,
bad.
we don't look at market cap over here.
I know. Like I said, this is last minute. I didn't even think about because I moved it up to my smaller screen.
Yeah.
So my normal trading screen, the only thing I can see is about a quarter of the chart.
Oh.
So I had to quickly throw up a whole new.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, it bounced off the 9, gang. Timo! I see you, brother. Everybody welcome Timo in the chat. He hasn't been here in a minute, and now INHD is pulling back. I don't see a floor. Be careful. That explains why it's got a bullet. Somebody put a floor in here. Otherwise, this thing's just going to keep on dropping. Yep, they're breathing.
So that's our topic for tonight. Our tips and tweaks.
Yes.
And this is actually, I'm really glad we're doing this today because this is actually what I find would be a very great tip in watching. Even if you don't trade anything in the aftermarket, watch the aftermarket, even if it's just for a half hour. Get an idea of what's moving. So whenever you get up to do your pre-market setup, you've got an idea of what to look for. You might even already have a couple of levels popped up there.
That makes sense to do that because a lot of times what runs in the aftermarket tends to run in the pre-market. You're getting a heads up. So it would behoove you guys to chart it out. That way, if it hits in the aftermarket and the pre-market, you already got it lined up. You got your roadmap already set up.
Yep, and that would be a very good preparation. Which with preparation, you meet what, F2?
I'm sorry, I wasn't paying attention. With preparation, you what? Preparation H?
When preparation. Yeah, no, that ain't funny. I've reached that age. It ain't funny. When preparation meets what?
You got to ask the question, James. What is luck?
Opportunity? I don't know.
Okay, so my Jeopardy skills are slacking. Y'all know that.
I think we should have an American Dream trivia day because I miss trivia. I think it was fun. I think it added something. Maybe we went overboard a little bit on doing multiple days of it, but I think even if it's on like a Saturday or Sunday after Maria's thing or on a Sunday, maybe get together for an hour or so and do like American Dream trivia and throw up the Wheel of Fortune. Get a few people in here. That'd be fun, just to kind of kick back and have a little fun.
Yeah, I could get down with that. Or another idea. Clear it by coach, obviously, but maybe throw in some trivia questions or some Q&A, for just specifically for the chat. See who's paying attention, see who's on board. See if anybody's learning anything just while we're doing this. Throw out a trivia question.
Mm-hmm.
Because I think that would be the ultimate goal is trying to get more and more people involved. And that
Absolutely.
drives me crazy because how are more and more people not involved? I mean, we've got a pretty good turnout tonight, but how are more and more people not involved?
Well, you know what? Only time will tell because this 4 o'clock helps. You know what I
Yeah,
mean? Being able to bleed right from the Zoom call right into it. And that way they can go ahead and spend time with their families at 5 o'clock instead of now having to, stop what they're doing because the momentum has been shifted and now they gotta, now I gotta go to that. You know what I mean? So
BATL compliance acceptance. Oh yeah, that's a nice one, and it's over $1, almost two.
what are we looking at?
BATL battle. I don't
Battle
know. I'll have to brush
preparation.
up on my Beta Alpha Tango Lima.
Bravo Alpha Tango
Bravo,
Lima.
that's
You
the
got
one.
it.
Bravo.
Bravo, yes, sir.
Bravo Alpha Tango Lingo.
Sir, yes, sir. Oh yeah. Oh, we got a couple of nice little runners here in the aftermarket.
Yeah.
Good deal. Look at that. Look, I should have saved my little few dollars for the aftermarket.
Right?
Damn.
Well, I got my $5 this morning and said I wasn't going to trade anything else today.
I did
So,
not like M2K, so I sat on my hands. That's why it ended up being the topic today. Well, it was the topic last night. I set it up, but I took my own advice. I practiced what I preached because I did not trade any of that. That was crazy. And I was going to do ES, but I'm like, that's just a way to lose more money. Let's go a little bit smaller with M2K and see what's happening. And I did not like it one bit. All right. Battle is rolling.
well, that is it brings up a good question I've got for you, F2. So, is that all you're trading now? Is Apple?
Here lately, I think the last week or the week before, I did trade some TSLL for a few $100s, but I'm kind of comfortable with the Apple chat and stuff. It gives me that little extra boost of confidence and stuff, because I still catch myself second guessing everything I do. Not as bad, uh, but yeah, pretty much Apple. Like I'll get
Awesome.
in the pre-market and stuff and listen in the mornings and try to support in the afternoon and stuff, but I hardly ever trade in those time frames on the hot stocks.
Battle is running.
Let's see. Analysis acceptance of compliance by. Oh, and that is more recent news too, Maria.
Sure, that sounds great.
Awesome.
I'll see you then! Exclamation point. And thanks for being here tonight! Exclamation point. Always good to have you on the panel.
Huh? You're thinking out loud again, Don.
Shit, I hit mute. What the hell? All right, I was just answering F2. Damn.
Now you're muted.
I could have sworn I hit my mic, dude. I think Restream is glitching.
Has it been a long day already?
It has. It really
Did you get
has.
your new screen put up?
Talking about the green screen?
Yeah, the
No, I
background
didn't.
thing.
No, I didn't get it yet.
Oh, okay.
No, I haven't received it yet. He sent it out to me though.
Well, you did something with it because it looks pretty good.
Yeah, it looks really clear.
I got mine spread out I remember last time when Bruno was on here, he was like, try to get it to where it's covering both sides. So I literally have it pinned up to my wall. I've got it hung over something over here, so it's covering me. So yeah, I'm trying to work it out with what I got until the creme de la creme gets here.
That's the only thing I've ever heard about those green screens is the tighter they are, the better it works.
Yeah. Yeah, and this one is it's cool because I had one like this before. It's just a green sheet and it's got like some clamps that you can pull it over a pole and clamp it, but it's like a sheet. It's free flowing, it's loose, and I noticed the difference between that and the one Coach and Mark have is it's like a shade.
Yeah, yeah,
So
that'd be
you pull it
nice.
down and it's pretty. And I'll use this one to cover my chair and then just have the other one behind me. But this was a gift, so I ain't looking to give horse in the mouth. It's working so far. So Bruno and Miranda and Arlo got together and I one day it came in the mail. They surprised me. I didn't even know I was getting it. But that's how we
Yeah,
take care of each
that's
other
what
over here.
Miranda she just said. She said that's weird because the one they sent had a stand with it. Or supposed to have a stand with it, so they got
It
ripped off.
does. No, it does. Yeah, it's on the stand. That's how it's way above me. Yeah, I got it
Oh,
hooked to the stand. Yep. But it's only so long. And the fact that it's free flowing, I think maybe is why you can see ripples in it or something like that. But I mean, it's a good green screen. I still like it. And this is perfect for if you ever want to do camera tricks and stuff and put it around yourself like Harry Potter and act like you got a disappearing cloak or something. You can use it for that. So okay, we got a rounded top on battle. So be careful.
well, the nine's still trying to kick up a little bit, so looks like volume's dying down though.
I haven't paper traded on the computer yet. I need to get with that. I do it on my phone, but I haven't done that on the computer yet on Weeble or Trading View.
Yeah, the only paper trading I've done on TradingView has been the crypto. But I need to go back and watch that setup video again, and because Chris has a real good one on setting up the calculations for the fees.
I forgot you can paper trade crypto.
Yeah, which actually that's something I need to work on. I don't know, this evening or probably midnight when I'm still up
Mm-hmm.
is setting up their suggested trading account for paper trading. So
Sweet.
gotta try and get set up for Wednesday.
Oh yeah, so you can trade with them, huh?
Yeah.
Guys, don't forget.
Well, there we go. I'm slacking, Maria. I'm sorry. Imlek,
What is it?
Mary Lima Echo Charlie, and we've traded this one before. I got lines all over the place.
Look at that. 9 is under VWAP. Pop and drop. It's getting ready to drop. If you missed it, don't try to chase it. Wait for the pullback to happen and then wait for it to go back up.
I was going to say PFSA died on the heel.
Yep.
The ENF had a pop and drop, but it didn't pull back. It didn't have a massive pullback. So it's still trying to hold itself up. Barely, but it's trying.
BENF.
Imlek though, that's the one on it. Girl, why don't you just come up here?
I know, Maria. What you got going on, the kids?
You
We
got
don't
to play
care.
you got to play her intro song. That's it. That's what's missing. Oh, you can't.
I,
Dang it.
Hello. You think I would not have music on here? I
Can we
stopped
hum it?
playing the background music because Coach kept getting copyright claims. I mean, he said I could play it, but I don't feel like him constantly getting copyright claims for that. So that's why I stopped playing the background music. It's like Restream. Come on, man. If you're going to have background music, you got to make sure people can use it without getting a copyright claim.
Get me a copyright. I'm gonna have AI write a new version.
Shout out to Ken M.
Do it in opera. Yeah, no news on the MLEC, so I have people just jumping around. This one looks good. This one looks good. Oh, and I got to correct myself. Peppy D called out MLEC before Maria did. Thank you, Pappy.
Pappy D. Is that Papa? No, Papa's down there too, right? Or is that the same? Is Pappy Papa?
No, Papa Todd's down there.
Okay, that's what I thought. Pappy, are you the one that used to always pay for Coach's haircuts?
Thought that was Papa Todd.
No, I don't think it was Papa Todd.
Oh.
I feel like it was Pappy D. Ooh. Battle's having a battle. Damn. Okay. That's what I said. Be careful. Poppage and droppage. If you didn't get it, wait for it to do what it's doing now. Pull back. You can see where it wants to pull back right over here on the L2. Gives you that area where it should bounce for you. Yep. Come on back up. So the tweak of tonight was sitting on your hands in chop. Make sure you guys are not jumping in to chop if you are not a seasoned scalper. Coach says this all the time, right? It's nothing wrong with waiting for a setup. I mean, come on. When you wait for a setup, you get nice runs. You can, it's a lot less stressful than scalping. But if you see it where it's choppy, don't do it. Take a walk. Do what you need to do. Don't look at the screen. Take the screen down. Check back later. Don't have FOMO, fear of missing out. I can't take my screen down. I'm going to miss something. Okay. Well, it wasn't meant for you to have that, You'll get what's yours. Oh yeah, she's still dropping. Good. Yep. Forget about battle. That's a losing battle. Y'all was supposed to laugh. Cue laughter.
I did. You didn't hear me?
I didn't hear you.
I
can't
was
see.
LOLing.
I was muted. You couldn't hear me. I mute myself. I'm sorry.
Well, you do the right thing, bro. I appreciate that.
Oh, Lordy. What a day.
Yeah, it's been a crazy day. Crazy day of sitting on my hands. Speaking of which, here's a video from Coach that shows exactly how you want to wait for those levels.
Oh, look at this pullback off of VWAP. Oh my gosh. Anybody get that pullback off there?
You know it, Coach.
Perfect setup. VWAP up there. We're back below that 623 now. 623's got a break to get us that nice downside move. I like though that it hit VWAP and pulled back. That's nice. There it goes. Right there, back to a previous level. I think she's got more to give at this point. The way that it bled out, off of VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
Get out of there, buyers.
Yep, get out of there. Let's just see this thing just knife drop to hell. See if we get down here, test new lows. There we go. Come on, baby. I'll take half off. Now I don't have as much risk.
I'm gonna just bleed.
Yeah, this is that double bottom area right here, technically.
Yep.
It's on that regression channel.
But be careful right there.
Taking them all off. Double bottom.
Yep.
That's a good call, coach.
Look at that. Look at
You
that.
look.
See,
Wow.
you see, here we go.
Yeah.
You are the man.
Waiting for the proper setups is key, and taking your green is next.
Well, we've got a star in the chat,
Who's that?
Miss Ange.
Hey, honey. How you been? You should come hang out real quick. We ain't gonna be up here that long. If not, I understand. But we miss you.
Well, not that there aren't other stars. It just she doesn't often get the chance to stop by anymore.
I know it. I know it. I told her that the other day. I'm like, we miss you. She'll be back. She's just getting some stuff straight. She'll be back. She assured me you did. You know you did.
I'm having to mute my mic in and out. Brandon's up running around doing his thing. They're fixing to leave, going his daily outing.
Cool beans. Cool beans. Anybody got any questions in the chat? Any questions about the L2? Any questions about levels? If you guys are enjoying your experience with American Dream Trading and you've been here for a minute, or you're one of the brand new people that have joined, don't forget you can always go to americandreamtrading.com and write a review. Doesn't cost you a dime, but it does help us to, get our keep our pulse on the community and know who's happy and who's not and who needs help. And so make sure you guys do that.
The link. Never mind, they already did it. Sorry.
They're quick. They're quick.
Yeah, I found out it's real easy that once you're in here, just copy and paste the
one that's already there.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for that, sir.
You just have to let her in.
She ain't here yet. You guys don't hear it, but when somebody comes in, it goes doo-doo, kind of like how the little Discord noise is.
That's my alarm to get ready for the aftermarket show. I think
How about Mark?
Update that.
How about Mark kept on saying, come to the aftermarket at 5:00 today. I was cracking up. I'm like, 4, Mark, 4. I set it for 5. You heard me this morning? I actually set the aftermarket for 5, and all of a sudden I'm on the bike, and I'm like, wait a minute. Did I set that for 5? Shit.
yeah, I saw it in there this morning on the YouTubes.
Hey.
Miss Ange.
I was wondering if you were going to pop up here. Hi. Are you muted?
Yep.
How you been?
Good. I just thought I'd pop in quick. My internet's kind of spotty.
Okay.
Yeah.
Aw. Yep, we miss you, man. So how's things been going? You on your run yet? When do you start your run?
I started at the beginning of August.
How's it going?
It's going good. It's going really good. Yep.
Keep me posted on that. I'm curious because I did not forget that. So I'm like, she's on her run. That's why we probably ain't her. She is focused.
Very focused. Yes. But anyway, I just thought I'd pop in and say hello.
Hello. Glad to see you. Kiss the kids.
Will
Sour
do.
still trading?
Yep.
Cool. Tell him kick some ass.
Will do.
All right, baby.
Got to give you props for that. When you lock in on something, it's done.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. It's the only way.
Awesome. That is awesome. Look, she did the Irish goodbye. I love it. It would not be a complete Ange visit without an Irish goodbye. And battle's done. They're all done. They're all done.
Yeah. Emlek took a massive fall.
Took a bath. Well, it is 4:57. I guess we can go ahead and wrap it up. The hot stock picks. The aftermarket picks are kind of rolling over. It is coming up on the 5 o'clock hour. OP what?
OPAD.
Let's look at it.
Looks like it's getting ready to do a nice little cup and handle.
Come on, mouse. I can't stand this thing. I literally have to do it like one little tick at a time.
Oh yeah,
You've had that happen?
Yeah, and getting this mouse with being able to set those buttons.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's been a game changer. I know now after getting it, I know now why Coach got one.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, just like boom, boom, boom from when I set it to now, and I've already got it charted. Done.
Okay, there it is. Come on, baby. Give me my cup. Come on, damn it. There we go. There we go. Okay, yep.
Well, this has been great. I like this rolling straight in from the close of the market to. It seems to be the census too in the chat. A lot of people like it.
Good. I'm glad. Me too. Get an earlier start on your evening. We get to actually see and participate in the actual aftermarket. It's named after the aftermarket, right? But yeah, I'm gonna get set up and I'll do some paper trading in here too.
I think they just left, so I can say because I know they never watch. That this is my rest week.
You think who just left?
Basically, I made a deal with my wife as far as spending time with her and spending time doing this.
Yeah.
It's okay, so 1 week I will stay up until you get home and get ready to go to bed. And the next week, if I'm asleep when you get home, don't you touch me.
So you're alternating weeks?
Yeah, give it a try.
Okay. I mean, hey, compromise. That's what marriage is all about, right?
Yeah. Of course, I think that, Friday might have hit her a little different.
Oh.
Well, with everything that happened Friday and the loss and doing all that, she says, well,
Yeah.
you look like you're tired. And I said, well, that's beside the point.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Well,
we'll see.
We're rooting for you. And she doesn't watch the show, right?
She says she doesn't. She hasn't used anything against me yet. So
okay, so that means she probably ain't turning it on. Okay, cool. Oh man. Oh, it broke it. It broke it. Or did it wick through it? Nah, it wicked through
Yeah,
it.
it just wicked through, pulled back.
Yeah.
See if it bounces off the 9. Or it may even come down here to, what is that, 450, 455.
Yep. Well, that is definitely one to keep your eyes on. You know, the aftermarket runs, if you're able to trade in Weeble, the aftermarket runs up till 8 o'clock at night. So we've had people in here making money up until 8 o'clock at night. I remember GC was in here one night making money like that. We were on late.
Yep. Yeah, Maria said the news on it is offer pad could be the next open door.
There we go. Look at that. That's got some strength to it. Get yourself 1 or 2 shares in your paper trading account, 10 shares, so you can do some shedding. That thing has got some momentum. Where's our next level of resistance at?
Oh, I'm gonna have to look.
501.
501 Blues, Levi's.
Yeah, no, it blows through that. Oh, you're looking at on the L2's 512.
It's sitting right at that already. It's at 528. Let's set it at the next level, 528. So we had a couple runners here in the aftermarket. All right, 528. See what it's going to do. Pulling back at resistance.
Wrong time frame.
Anything going on special down there in the chat? Thought you're supposed to be reading them, James.
I am. Maria was the news at the open door. They call me Car Nuts. New format is hot. Pistol Trader, I love it. Thank you.
Car Nuts is down there?
Yeah.
Car Nuts.
Changed his name though. They call me Car Nuts. Is that like tater salad?
Tater tots.
All right. I think it's been a hell of a day, Miss Dawn.
I do too. Yep, it's stair stepping to the downside now. It may have run out of gas. Who knows? But we are gonna call it a night, boys and girls. Everybody have a fantastic night. Thank you all. Make sure you guys start leaving a comment in the Traders Lounge, letting Coach know that we're kicking it over here, right? We're learning, we're trading, we're doing the damn thing. And leave a comment on the video if you saw something in the show that you liked or you got a question. We try to look at those and respond to them. So yeah, guys, have a fantastic night. I am going to end with Coach's rules, as we normally do over here. F2. Is it all right to tell everybody, or?
If you want to.
Okay, so September, what was that, 2nd?
Yeah.
It's a Tuesday. F2 is going to come on the panel, and we're going to pick his brain about how he feels about what he's been doing. He's going to talk to us about his new trading phenomenon that has happened. So, yep, September 2nd. It's a Tuesday. F2 is going to be our special guest and talk to us about his trading. So if you want to know, you better come hang out and spread the word. Oh, F2 is going to be on there until 2nd. Let them know. Let them know. Anyway,
That's awesome.
Thank you for doing that, F2. I appreciate you, brother. And I'm so proud of you, man. I'm so proud of you. You have no idea.
It's all because of you guys, and it just things have been going in the right direction for me. So I've been very fortunate. So
that's good. You deserve it. You're a good guy.
Thank you.
All right, everybody. Have a fantastic night. And here's Coach's Rules. Peace and blessings. See y'all tomorrow.
You guys remember all the rules. You must follow all of them. Not some. You don't get to sprinkle in your own and leave mine out. You must follow all the rules. Always have a stop loss in each and every trade. If you're a new trader, make sure you are simulate trading only using a paper account. I don't want anybody losing their money while you are in training. Make sure you guys are using small position sizes. This will allow you to let those runners run and stop out the losers. Again, stops on every trade, regardless of shares, options, futures, or crypto. Make sure you guys are journaling every single day. It's one of the most important pieces of what we do on top of the risk management, so that you can help assess what you are doing and make the changes that you need to do. Don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day if you're a new trader. And if you are an experienced trader, please be careful the first 3 minutes or the last 8 minutes of the trading day.